I don't go too dramatic on stretching out these cheeks. There'll be a little bit more. I'm more worried about, instead of the height, the thickness. This hammer is just about finished, so the last thing that I'm going to look for before I put it away and stop forging on it or working on it is to make sure that there's no bow in it. This way it looks pretty straight. I might give it a tap on that side to rotate these up a little bit. And then you can clearly see that the hammer's got a little curve in it that way, so I'll show you how I correct that. Alright, this first one here, just to get the bow out, it's a little like that. So this is the bolster that I was using underneath it. And then I have these two that I put in here. Set that on top, light tap. And that's enough to fix that. Now, this other one, you actually have to have the drift in place. And you use a different top tool. That looks pretty good. Maybe one more blow. That drift's going to get stuck, so, but not terribly bad, so I'm not worried about that. I'll pop it out. And the final thing is this. I get them equal, both the same. One's not bigger than the other. This side is just slightly larger. I'll drop the drift in that side one more time, and that'll finish it out. I'm not going to use the fullering tool either. Just driving the drift in. Look this slightly. A little bit more. I knew that wasn't going to come out of there, but that's all right. Take it over here. You don't really have to work. I mean, this is S7, so doing damage to this side while I was hammering with S7, it usually doesn't happen. So, and let's say that hammer's finished.